Here I've got MAXCOM Smart MS457 Strong, and let me show you how to locate IMEI number on the following device. So we've got two methods. Let's start with the quicker one. At first open the phone dialer and then enter a secret code, which is *pound or £6. And as you can see, here you've got both IMEI numbers for both SIM cards in your device. Click on OK to go back. And now let's go to the second method. So we will locate it through the settings. At first you have to open list of all applications, then find and pick the settings. Now you have to scroll down to the very bottom of the list and choose About Phone. Then go to Status, and here under IMEI Information you will locate both of them, and then here you've got serial number of your phone. So that's basically all. This is how you can locate both numbers. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.